This is the entire set of alien pearls. There are 4 of them. And today, we are venturing off to mix all 4 together. Quick disclaimer, this is likely to be a disaster. If you know anything about the alien pearls, you know that they are mostly large particle interference pearls. And large particle interference pearls are some of the hardest pearls to work with. To get these 4 mixed together, working together, to have an even, flush, uniform finish, it's going to be like 1,000,001 shot. So why are we doing it?
Because it's fun.
Because it's fun. So I'm going to walk you through each one real quick. This is RL71. This is the blue to purplish red shift. GD10. This is the gold to pinkish rose shift. This is GC47, the most popular one. This is blues, pinks, and greens. And then GT22, by far the largest particle, which is greens and blues. Now, the only shot we have of this working is to go low pigment load. So what we're going to do is 5 grams of each, which will essentially give us, once we cut it down, a full 10-gram load, 2.5 grams of each pearl. Right?
Sure.
Right. So in goes RL71. And then GT22, a very underutilized, underappreciated alien pearl. GD10, probably the one pearl we've used the least in the 13 years we've been in business.
That is by far your least favorite pearl.
I hate it. And GC47. A bunch of different sizes, a bunch of different tones. Once this stick goes in, there's no turning back.
We are in a snow globe.
Yeah. Here we go. We're not going to see all that much about what's going to go on because, as you guys know by now, interference pearls don't really come alive until they go over a base. The darker the base you use, the more saturation you're going to get out of the interference pearls. The lighter base, the more pearl you have to use to get that saturation. Now, we're going to go with a neutral black base on the S4 today. But, like always, we're going to show you this concoction over a bunch of different base colors on speed shapes at the end of the video. So don't worry, you'll get to see some variety. So let's check the old stick of truth here. Okay, so here's what we got going on. A little bit of everything. They are just tap dancing around each other right now. And we're either going to end up with a gorgeous multicolored kaleidoscope effect or an effect that we're going to be probably a little hesitant to show you, but I promise we'll show you this car no matter how it goes. Are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
I am not. But let's go. All right, guys, we are all done with the project. Now, it's no secret, Gabe and I genuinely thought this project was going to be a complete disaster. And while it's not perfect, I cannot wait to show you guys how this car came out. We're gonna take it outside right now, You know what to do. Take a good look at it, leave a comment below, and rate this one for me 1 through 5. Let me know what you think. And if you want to change the color of your emblems, your wheels, or your whole car, head straight to DipYourCar.com. We have a ton of kits and a ton of colors, and they're all do-it-yourself friendly. Gabe and I had a blast on this one. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I'll see you on the next video.